not as much.
There it is. Yeah, there you go.
That one's a little bit
he's
more
kidding.
yellow.
Yeah, it's just not. It's like completely out of focus and everything.
The lighting? That was funny.
It's the phone.
So he got sold a crappy phone? Or?
No, my phone
old
is
phone.
my phone is the one that's the camera looks all fuzzy. It's probably still reeling from the effects of the Kool-Aid. Do it again, Logan. Can you throw it again?
He's petting the dog.
Aww. Tell him fetch. Oh, good job. Okay, tell him ready, set.
Get it. Go get it. Say, go get it.
Go, Logan!
Say, get it.
Ready, set, go!
Oh, where did you go? Go under there.
Logan.
He's all no playing. Getting pinned. Oh.
Hey, one has a light on, the other one doesn't.
That's because I turned the light on because I thought it might help, but it doesn't really.
Oliver's pretty good. He doesn't really bite hard at all. He's good about that.
He's been playing with the whole time.
Oh, he learned to pet. You talk about your baby, I talk about mine. You're like, wow, he's so funny. He doesn't bite too hard. Or I guess that's because of the most he's been playing with. And I'm like, oh, he learned to pet.
We all have to make our comments.
Okay, throw it again.
I'll just comment on how neglected he is.
Whoa. Go get it, Oliver. Oh, gross, Samuel. So ready, set, go get it. Throwing it in that one. Yeah.
Get it over! Get it over! I can't keep my face in there.
That's so gross. Look, that one looks normal, I think.
Oh, I think, yeah.
Everything else looks normal. I'm even still getting emails. Look, I'm still getting emails on this. I don't know how.
Both phones are working right now?
Yeah, both. I'm getting email on both of them. I don't know why. Gross.
You're getting these short titles.
Weird.
Ew.
Yes.
Okay, well, I don't know what it's doing.
Say, drop it. Tell him, drop it.
Why is our door locked?
Sophia's in there.
Say, oh, there you go. I was going to tell him to say, please. He's trying to give it to the dog. Oh, there he is. You didn't have to go too far to get him.
Come on! Come on! Say, hurry! No.
Ooh. Feel the difference between my skin and the peel and the skin. It's softer.